This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com. Today, we're guiding you through the essential components of our bleeding control kit. Let's explore what's included. Each bleeding control kit includes the following. Next, let's dive into the contents. Start by unzipping your kit. Inside, you'll discover an instruction kit providing an overview of the items included. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these instructions before encountering any emergency situation where the kit may be needed. Each kit is equipped with a high-strength pressure bandage, ensuring swift and easy application. This bandage can be quickly wrapped and secured, offering a rapid response to severe bleeding and trauma situations. Next, you'll find the trauma shears. These specialized scissors are designed for the rapid and safe removal of clothing from injured individuals and more. Included are also 2 pieces of compressed gauze, vacuum sealed for convenience. This medical grade gauze is utilized to address serious bleeding, often in conjunction with a compressed bandage. It can also serve as a backing gauze for hemostatic dressings or wound bandaging. For precise markings, each kit contains skin markers, ensuring fast and accurate identification if needed. You'll also find 2 pairs of nitrile gloves for your protection while administering aid. And finally, each kit comes with 1 tactical tourniquet, offering quick control over life-threatening extremity bleeding. If you have any questions or would like to discuss purchasing options, visit us at www.aedmarket.com or call us at 1-800-441-8378. Thanks for watching.